you're looking for the ultimate cozy dinner that's as good for you as it tastes, let's make these hearty barley-stuffed cabbage rolls. First up, get yourself a big old cabbage. Gently peel off those outer leaves and blanch them for just a couple minutes in boiling water. You want them tender but not mushy. Cool them down under cold water and set them aside. Now the filling. Heat up some olive oil and toss in a chopped onion, minced garlic, grated carrot and celery. Sauté until they're soft and fragrant, about 4 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in a cup of pearl barley, a sprinkle of oregano, thyme and smoked paprika for that irresistible depth, plus some salt and pepper. Give it all a quick stir, then pour in half your diced tomatoes and some veggie broth. Simmer for 10 minutes, just long enough for the barley to soak up those flavors. Ready to roll? Lay each cabbage leaf flat, trim that tough stem, and add 2 or 3 tablespoons of filling right in the center. Fold the sides in, roll it up tight, and repeat until you've got a tray full of these beauties. Set your cabbage rolls seam side down in a dish. Mix up the rest of your tomatoes, tomato paste, and broth, then pour that savory sauce over the top. Cover and either simmer gently on the stove for about 35 minutes or bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. The goal? Tender, flavorful rolls packed with goodness. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or dill and serve warm, maybe with some crusty bread or a crisp salad on the side. Barley brings the fiber, cabbage serves up vitamins and antioxidants, and this dish is pure comfort without compromise. Dig in and enjoy every bite of your healthy, hearty, barley-stuffed cabbage rolls.
Hey friends, welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen. If you love easy, healthy, and super delicious Med and Middle Eastern recipes, you're in the right place. I share simple, fresh, and tasty dishes anyone can make. So hit that subscribe button and let's cook up something amazing together.
Welcome to Afsan Farm Kitchen, where our cozy farm kitchen brings you healthy, delicious, and globally inspired recipes. With a love for Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine's vibrant flavors and nutritional goodness, we make it simple to enjoy wholesome, flavorful meals at home. Whether you're recreating comforting classics or trying something new, our recipes are perfect for every season. Let's share the joy of good food, health, and togetherness from our kitchen to yours. The Mediterranean diet promotes a plant-based, well-balanced diet that emphasizes whole, minimally processed foods, with an emphasis on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and healthy fats, especially from sources like olive oil. It integrates the 9 major dietary groups. Moderate dairy consumption is encouraged, while fish and poultry are favored over red meat. Numerous health advantages, such as a lower risk of cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, and several types of cancer, are linked to this dietary habit. The diet's emphasis on nutrient-dense meals, good fats, moderate protein quantities, and an overall balanced approach, rather than rigorous calorie counting, is largely responsible for its success.